how to create JustMarkets account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're looking to start trading and wondering how to create a JustMarkets account, don't worry at all, it is super quick and easy. First of all, download and install the JustMarkets application on your smartphone or tablets and launch it open. Once you launch it open, you'll see this welcome screen. Go ahead and tap on Get Started to open an account. On the next page, provide an email address in the text box. Make sure to provide an email you have an access to, and it must be your very own email address. After you do that, click Next. Now, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox for the provided email and you'll see a 6-digit verification email to you. Click open the email from JustMarkets and click on the code. Just copy that code, or you can also type it in manually in the text box if the copy doesn't work. Once the code is correct, on the next page you'll need to create a password meeting these criteria at the bottom. Create a strong password for your JustMarkets account and finally click Next. Now, select your country of residence and make sure to select your correct country that matches the one on your ID or proof of address. On the next page, if you've got a partner code or if you have an inviter, click on Yes and enter the code provided. If not, just click on No, and on the next page, go ahead and set a PIN code to access your account quickly. Type in a PIN code and enter the PIN code once again on the next page. If you want to protect your account with Face ID, tap on Set up Face ID and scan your Face ID. If not, tap on Not Now. Now you will be able to get inside the home page of the JustMarkets account. That means you've created your account. Now you need to go ahead and complete the verification. Once the verification process is completed, and you'll receive a confirmation notification, and you will be able to get started with your trading journey. If you are a beginner trader, make sure that you are using a demo account in the beginning. From the Accounts tab, go to the top center and tap the drop down and select Demo. Create a demo account and practice first before risking real money onto trading. So that is how you create a new account for JustMarkets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.